from Sindhu. Hi, Sindhu. How are you?
Hi, everyone. Hi, Sri Lanka, ma'am. Yeah, I'm doing good.
Great. Yes, Sindhu, we can go ahead with the topic what we have chosen today. I think people will be definitely very interested. People will have more text or more things to how to give us audio or live to that. I think related to that topic, which Sindhu is left, she will rejoin, I think.
I think there's a problem with my email ID for some reason. It logged me out. So
Okay.
I had to join from my mobile immediately.
Okay. No
But
problem.
yeah, sorry for that and thanks for, inviting me.
Yeah. So we've been, I was just discussing a little bit about the last week's Sumo app and also was telling us a small gif about the contest what we are going to have shortly about DC film and DC song. So once everything is getting ready, we'll give a brief intro to that. And we'll go with this today's tool lesson. Yeah. Character AI.
Okay, so now this is an interesting tool, ma'am. I think a lot of people have heard about this influencer marketing, right? So we'll have an influencers, social media influencers, we'll catch them, we'll try to promote our business through their social media channels. So that's, generally like an outline of what influencer marketing is. But
Okay.
if I tell you that we can create an influencer for our own company or for your own product or for your own good, if you can use that character anywhere. And that character is not a real person. For example, for Boost, Sachin Tendulkar used to come, right? So he's like a brand ambassador for Boost.
Okay.
And he's also an influencer. So what if I tell you that we can create someone like that and then we can use that person for our branding purpose. So that's where this tool is coming to. So it's called character.ai. So that tool is, it's like a make your own influencer or make your own brand ambassador kind of tool. So this tool, this is kind of special because you can create a character using AI and you can use that same character throughout all your videos, all your social media. So you can create it like a real person. So that's what this tool is. So if you can see my screen, so this is what Character AI looks like. So this is the website. And, once you go to website, you can click on create and then you can click on character.
Sindhu,
And
I
then,
can't see the screen yet. Yeah.
oh, is it?
Yes.
Let me reshare my screen.
Both the screen, I can see you only. Yeah.
Okay. Can you see my screen now? I think you should be seeing.
You could see only blue background that's in the photo.
Oh, okay. Yeah, fine then. That's what you are supposed to be. How about now?
Same.
Same, is it? So give me a minute then. This is character.ai. If you can see, this is how the homepage will look like. So you will see a lot of people who are creating their own characters to create YouTube videos or, even like what do we say? Like a real employee of a company, they'll create the profiles. For example, if you see here, so these are the things that we can try. We can use we can try using this character.ai. We can create a practice interviewing. Like there will be a person, we can create a person who can interview us, who will interview us, and then we can evaluate our skills. We can also talk to a friend and get some great ideas. So it's like you create your own character and then you talk to them and then you can use that character in your videos. You can use that character anywhere. So that's what this character.ai is. It's basically like creating your own character,
Okay.
to use on social medias.
Okay.
So if you click on create, okay, so you can click on discover to see like how people are using it. So there are so many people who are, someone created Krishna here, Lord Krishna.
Okay.
So if you ask questions, it will answer you like a, like a Indian, yeah.
Okay.
And then you can also create. So see what this tool basically does is it will take your prompts and it will create character based on that. So if you click on create and then character, it will ask you to give the character name, a tagline for the character, and then the description. How usually this character will talk to you and all the stuff. So once you create that, you can use that character. You can use this character anywhere. Like you can also use it like a video. So
Okay.
wait a minute, I'll show you the
This is a pro
example.
one. What you're using is upgraded.
No, I don't have a pro version. I'm just using the beta version. This is like a free trial I'm using.
Okay.
See, you can see the screen, right?
Yeah, I can see this.
So here, so once you create a character here, once you get an image here, then you will go to avatar.fx, which is a button here, and then you can use that character here. For example, if I take a picture of my son, let us say, or maybe this. So what this tool does is, and what this avatar.fx in the character here does is, it will take this image and it will make it talk. For example, you can see the screen, right?
Yes.
So these are the images provided by the people, and then they'll remix it. So they'll use this image and then they'll give some text, and based on the text, this avatar will move its lips.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it will move and it will also talk. So I have taken Nidhi's picture. Sorry, Nidhi, but we can generate the. So I mean, I have given Nidhi's picture, but it got changed somehow. But yeah. So you can see, right? So this is how this tool will work.
Okay.
You just have to give an image and then the description,
The
like
text.
what it should talk, how it should talk. Should the character be happy? What kind of emotion that
Yes.
that particular image has to show. And this is really shocking, right? So this tool can mimic humans' expressions.
Okay. Is there a limit, like how many words they are supposed to talk, or?
We have a limit, like 450 characters is what they are saying. So once that 450 characters is done, you can go for the next, you can go for next generation. For example, if you have 450 words, right? Once you
Yeah.
place all the 450 characters here, next 450 you have to redo it.
Okay.
So these images, we can also download them and we can use that on the social media or any video generation platform.
Okay. That's a great idea.
So yeah. So basically, if you want, Vijay Talapati to talk about you, just take Vijay's image, put here, and then give your description, and he'll talk about
I
you.
will just try today. We have 5:30 Rudra show, no? So
Oh, okay.
we will try to make it with Rudra's process. Yeah.
Sure. Let's do that. Sorry, Rudra, I'm not giving this idea. It's only Sri Lanka's. Okay. So this is what this.
For that. So somehow my photos are getting used and getting popular.
Let's not use real images. That's what I'm saying. I changed Nidhi's image here. You can see, right? This looks like Nidhi, but she's not Nidhi.
Okay.
So yeah, we can do that. So see, this tool is very useful when you have a YouTube channel, when you have your own YouTube channel, or if you want to create birthday wishes. So if you want to create birthday wishes which were done by Ajit, or let us say Mani sir is wishing you, then you can use the image. I'm not telling you to use Mani's image, but Mani can say happy birthday to you on your birthday using this tool.
Yeah. So in case.
And he doesn't even know it.
Okay. Yeah. So just it for our self happiness. We can.
Yeah. But on the other side, if you want to build a character for your brand, let us say, for example, if I think of Desi Crew, right? I'll think it like a woman, a well-educated woman in sari with a blazer on.
Okay.
So I have an idea of how Desi Crew will be looking like if it is a person. So if you have some idea like that, and if you want to create your own brand image, if you want to put your brand like a person, if you want to create a brand ambassador, let us say, then you can use this tool and you can do that. So that's where this tool is useful. For example, for a company like Accountify, right?
Yeah.
They have Jarvis, but nobody has seen Jarvis. If Jarvis is a person, how would he or she look like?
Okay.
So if you have an idea, you can create your own character and you can use that on social media platforms.
Great. I understand, Sindhu. Superb. I think, but in here we can do only one character, right? Or can we do also like two characters talking?
That two character talking, it's not there yet, but we can only do for one at the moment.
Okay. Okay. I mean, it cannot be like a conversation mode, like two people are talking. That is not possible.
No. That is not possible. It's only possible with a single person, a single image.
Okay.
If you want to do 2-person, you have to do it separately. I think, can you see my screen? Because,
No, I could.
yeah,
see
I think you can
the
see. Okay.
screen.
Fine. Okay. Yeah, so that's what this tool is used for, ma'am. And also there is also another feature called voice,
Okay.
where you can imitate a person's voice and create a song or
Create a voice in the sense I can upload your voice in this.
you can do that. But let's not do it, please.
No, I'm just asking.
Yeah, we can upload let us say SP Balasubramaniam, he's no more, right?
Yeah.
And he's a great singer. I really like his songs. You can use his song and you can ask it to create a song for you.
Okay.
But that clip will be only 15 seconds. It should not be more than that. And the output will also be only 10 to 15 seconds. You cannot get more than that.
Okay. What is the limit per day in this?
They have some credits. I'm not sure about the voiceover, but for video, I think they have 10 credits.
Per day.
5 I have, 10 per day. No, I don't think so.
Okay.
I think it's only per account is what I'm thinking. So per
after-
account, you will get only 10 credits. 5 I have used. So yeah, I think it's only for day.
Okay.
10 per day. 10 per every day.
So every day I can create 10 credits on this.
Yeah. And then you can create a video.
Oh, that's great. Video is the 10 credits. I mean, I can make a 10 videos out of it.
10 videos, but those will not be like a very lengthy videos. It can only be like 10 to 20 seconds because you are only giving 450 characters, right?
Yeah.
So that will be very less only. So, I mean, the duration of the video will be less, but you can create, like 10 videos.
Okay.
So, yeah, ma'am, that's about this tool, the character.ai.
Yeah. So last time we were talking about the song and today we are talking about the characters. So one was.
Let's create a video, no? Let's create a movie.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can use Suno for the audio and the songs. Character AI to build all the characters, the hero, heroine, villain, everybody we can create on character.ai.
Okay.
And then we have Midjourney to have the graphics, which I'll be explaining in the next coming sessions. I'll also show, because we are planning to take Midjourney, thanks to Ashwan. So once we get Midjourney, I'll also show you like how we can create graphical videos. Like if you want a dinosaur to roam around in IIT Research Park, that can also be done using that tool. So Midjourney is a big tool. We are going to get it very soon.
Great.
So if we have Midjourney, character.ai, ChatGPT to write the script.
Midjourney is like something, a graphical tool, we can do a video out of it. Is that like that?
Yeah, Midjourney is beyond everything, ma'am. Yeah,
Okay.
it's like a total graphical tool. You can create avatar within seconds. So that's how Midjourney will be. So that kind of, at least that, 50% of what that graphics are, we can reproduce the same thing in the Midjourney.
Great.
So in fact, Midjourney is the first video tool which was released using AI.
Okay.
So before that, there was some, before that, there was some video generation tools, but Midjourney is like a breakthrough. You can get anything using that. After Midjourney, this Aura has come.
Oh, okay. So you are saying like Midjourney is the father of everything.
Father of the video production, yes. And the graphics, yes.
Great. I think we will get an more interesting segment next week.
But as I tell you every time, it's only the prompt. I have seen a person who has written like 6 pages of prompt just for AI to work for him.
Oh.
That's pretty fascinating, right? 6 pages of prompt only for the AI to understand how to create a video.
Yes.
Because it contains all the details, like what should be there in the video, how should the trees appear, how should the background be, what kind of climate that they're expecting, what kind of, the wind, right? The wind is also being explained there. So there should be a wind from the north. So everything was written in a prompt. It was 6 pages long. So if we know how to write a prompt, we can use any AI tool very easily.
Great. So,
Yeah, ma'am.
so I think Sindhu, you will have all this link and in a description
Uh-huh.
of what are these tools works like.
Yeah.
So you should definitely share with us in a view format, not like edit
Sure,
format.
ma'am. Mm-mm.
So we'll circulate among the people and we'll see how the people are interested to go on with this, and we'll try.
Mm-mm.
Sure.
Yeah. So we'll have two tabs in this Google Sheet now. One which was featured in ChatGPT, which was featured in DC Live.
Okay.
Like tools like whatever I have explained
You
in
have
DC Live,
covered.
right?
You have covered.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
So that will be in a separate section. There are other tools which are, very smaller tools, but they're very useful. I'll put that in a different
Okay.
sheet in the same Excel sheet.
Sure. Please, at least internally we should try to share it with the next leader at least, so that people get benefited and they know what type of skill people they have in and around them, right? So
Yeah.
they will definitely come forward to share the things. What else in this is there in
So
character?
for now, this character AI is that, ma'am. So we can create a character. We can talk to the character, as I have already shown you before. So we can talk to that, and we can also create a book. So I saw people who are writing books using this character.ai. They'll generate a character, and then they'll ask if this is a situation, what will you do? And they'll explain. So based on that, they're creating a book.
So book writing has become easy now.
Yeah, that's very easy. At least with this tool, right? It's very easy, and you can also generate the audio voices. So something like a animated podcast kind of thing can also be done using this tool.
So when I used to see my daughter's cartoon and all, nowadays she watch more AI related cartoons. So I see how very fast nowadays the cartoons are getting created. I mean the animation, the look and feel, right?
Yeah.
It's something very catchy nowadays. People are not moving out of even elder people are watching that animation. So it is very interesting.
Yeah, we cannot escape that part now. Everybody is watching AI, and we don't even know. Sometimes I feel like, okay, this is real, but then something will come up. Oh, this is AI. I didn't even notice. I think that.
For the next 5 years, we will have a very big challenge to find out which is an AI image and which is an original one.
Ma'am, we don't even need 5 years, ma'am. Just wait for 5 months. Big breakthrough will also come.
Yes, 5 years.
We don't even know what will come.
Maybe to find. Now we are able to analyze, right? Little bit more conscious if we look into it and all these things. It's little bit changes we are able to identify. As you said, in very shorter span of time, all that thing will get vanished. We'll have very difficulty to find out. The AI really comes in front of us, so nothing to get shocked on it.
Yeah. We don't know ChatGPT like 3 years ago. We don't know anything. But now we cannot live without ChatGPT.
No, I think 99.9% of people will use more than a WhatsApp now for every work. Something similar, then instead of thinking more and from out of brain, they are going to the ChatGPT. Yes, I have a ChatGPT which helps me.
So talking of WhatsApp, right? There is a new feature on WhatsApp which I saw today. So there is something called AI image generation. Have you seen that? Have the listeners, anyone in the DC Live listeners have seen that?
I know Meta AI, which is there for a long
time. Yeah, but there is something like a small button which has come up. It is saying AI image generation. So you can generate AI images in WhatsApp and you can send it to your friends.
Is it?
Yeah. Do you want to see that? I just noticed it this morning. I don't know. But somehow I don't know why I have missed that feature. But now I can see that. Wait a minute, let me share my screen.
So I think everybody have to update your WhatsApp.
Yeah, definitely, I believe. I don't know if it comes in the web, but on the mobile it is coming. Oh, it's on the web, we cannot see that.
Yes.
But let me share my mobile screen. I think you can see that, right? Wait a minute. So this feature has come newly. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay, so if you see this, wait a minute, this pop-up should go. Okay, can you see this? Yeah, images.
Yeah, where it is? I didn't see. I missed it.
Oh, okay. So when you click on this pin button, right?
Yeah,
the paperclip. Okay. Yeah, and then you can see that AI images.
For me, it's not visible. Yes, there is
Oh,
an
okay.
image. Yes.
So you can generate an image here. You can just say, person running, let us say, and it's generating images. And you can also send it as a sticker.
Yes.
See?
I think this is something which is related with Meta, no? Not?
Not completely with Meta, but there is something going on in the background. I mean, there should be something, right, for them to build something like this. I think
Yes.
they're using some image generation tool in the background, and you can see a dog is a king. I don't know what. Okay, so there are a lot of things which are coming up. So that's what I'm saying, ma'am. It's going to be very different. 5 months later, nothing will be the same.
Yeah, you can give an animated also for this image. It is giving
Yeah.
you an option of making animated.
Yeah, you can also animate it.
Yes. See, for previously people have to study and struggle a lot to do all these things. Now everything with our fingertip, right?
See, the dogs are blinking. Wow.
Yes.
Wow, they are using Meta AI. Wow, this is nice. So yeah, that's what, ma'am.
That's
We are
nice.
going to see a lot of change.
Yes, we have seen two AI today. One is character.ai, which is also similar to the WhatsApp image AI. But there is lots of different character AIs will give you a voice and we can build our own thing, something like this WhatsApp image. I think definitely we can use at least to share it for the internal DC Live promo, Sindhu. I loved
Yeah,
both the things.
definitely.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
And the listeners who are finding something new, right, in any of the tools they are using, anything which is related to AI, which was integrated in the tools they are already using, that can also be shown. I mean, people can come as a guest to this show, and then they can display like what are the changes they're observing, what kind of new things are they finding in the tools they're using.
Yes, I think that we can keep it as every week contest itself. We can give a good prize amount. We can give a 10-minute session for them in the Thursday tool with you itself. So that you and both people can merge. We'll do it, work on this, Sindhu, definitely.
Yeah, ma'am.
Thanks a lot, Sindhu, for bringing a wonderful tool. And very shortly, we are hoping we'll launch that contest also, DC Film and Song. And listeners, hope you're listening and you should enjoy definitely. If you have enjoyed, please share your comment. How was the session and what you have learned new and everything together. So let's see how does this new tool and new AI with Sindhu is working with us. So stay tuned to DC Live. We care, we share, and we are on air. Thank you, Sindhu. Thanks for the day.
Thanks, everyone. Bye.